in today with our plants of the week. Today we have our all gold Japanese forest grass as our first one. This one is a nice pop of color. It gives us that chartreuse lime green color with the cascading texture that really adds some unique interest to any garden. It stays about this 1 to 2 feet tall in a nice mounded clump. With that being said, I would only use this Japanese forest grass in specific situations because it can be picky about the conditions that it'll tolerate. It thrives with regular watering and partial shade. Too much afternoon sun can kind of scorch the leaves, as it's starting to do on this one now. And if you get too much shade, it'll dull that lime green color and give you a darker green. So you really want to make sure you put this plant in the right spot to give it the full effect. And while we're here, how could I not mention these vibrant black-eyed Susans? These are a native perennial. These are blooming all around town right now, and they really provide that vibrant wow factor with these flowers that last from June to October. This is Rudbeckia fulgida. It's a native perennial and really a personal favorite with these dense flowering clumps. If you're looking for a specific aesthetic, there's also the American Gold Rush variety that's kind of a more rounded clump and gives you that more disease resistance while keeping the golden Nebraska summer look. Now let's head over to Gannon for the weather.